A customer wants to save archive records to another vault automatically, when a document enters the state expired. The document in the initial vault changes the state to expired. The document is now archived in the archive vault with the link to the original document. This use case is configured with Extension Kit, Vault-to-Vault module. Vault-to-Vault enables you to sync two vaults when the trigger happens. Create, update or delete new or existing objects in another vault upon predefined triggers. Improve the quality of M-Files implementations without coding. Go to the link in the description and start your 14-day free trial.